Alright, so this is currently the date, and pretty much it's the 7th. As you can see, it's Thursday today, and it's 12:45. As you can see the time right there, December 7th, 12:45. Pretty much we can see here we have the dollar index, and we dropped. Clearly we called this out earlier in the Discord. It was the first one at 7:54 my time, pretty much. So 8:54 for New York. I am gonna wake up. I did wake up early today, but I'm not gonna lie, I didn't get to the charts as fast as I wanted to. And I was looking at it over my phone, and I was going over my charting in the morning, reading my affirmations or my subconscious mind programming. But yeah, no, we were just looking for this sell side right here to be met. Eventually, we did have trouble. This is on the 1 hour time frame here. You see, we had a market structure shift. We came back up, and then eventually we were just chopping, and then eventually we dropped. And then we took a trade today on euro, pretty much here. We did get chopped up. I won't even lie to you. And then indices, I was looking to go long, but it was already too late. It was around like 9:30 whenever I saw the market come down and then eventually go higher. And I was very skeptical right here whenever I was seeing this come back down. I was like, man, we're gonna form market maker sell model here and come down further, but no, we made all this inverse, then we push higher. And same thing for ES. NQ was just a lot stronger than ES. Honestly, I think NQ would have been a better choice. But we did take one trade on NQ, and then we did lose because I just felt my intuition was telling me right here in my trading recap. You can see pretty much that this was our take profit, our final take profit. We pyramided right here when we came back down, and eventually we moved our stop to that low, where our entry was, both of them, and then we got stopped out. But again here, 5-minute BISC right here. That's where our entry was. A 5-minute inverse too, and then this one too. So we never reached the buy side, but I want to see if we do continue now. Again here, my intuition was telling me we're of course strongly bullish. Have a market maker buy model. You can see that clear as day. Sell side to the curve, not buy side. And then the weekly buy side imbalance here for NQ. So buy side, sell side to buy side. Marker X model, and then eventually the shipping score, I guess. But we still need to read. We need to read this book, How to Win and Influence Friends, Dale Carnegie. So that's what we plan on reading today. I want to read. There's 200 pages around there. So again, I'm about to read like 33 pages, I think, or 35 pages around there for the rest of the week to finish this book. But I do want to finish it a little bit faster, so I'm gonna try to read at least 50 pages every day, if not more, during the weekends, of course. So, and then today we have our daily task here. So we need to finish Marker Max 3 videos on shipping playlist, drop shipping playlist, or the shipping rates. Those videos are very small, I'm not gonna lie to you, so that's kind of why I want to watch 3. I feel like we are progressing, of course, though. We are progressing every day. Those trades, beautiful trade on euro, the second one, of course. So we better read and just review and then iterate, of course. So alright, so we added another video into the playlist, and you can see that we added Zeus's video. Is gonna be another hour. It's gonna be an hour long, so yeah, we're gonna have to be watching that. Alright, so today's the 8th. You can see we were watching pretty much euro drop. We're really just ranging, to be honest. And then we have SPX here. We respected the breaker on NQ a lot more smoothly. Mean threshold probably got respected. Again, all this came out on the Discord. I changed the profile pic. I don't know if I changed it for the YouTube channel. I was thinking about it. Thing, it's transparent as possible. You can see GU today, 1208, 1208. It's from yesterday. It's 1208 pretty much. We hit 16. And I think like a what? Like a $18 one. So $14 and $6 minus commissions equals 18. So we're pretty much at, what are we at? So 433. So we're like down 1%, probably like around 75%. You can see the trades there. Push all up down whenever I'm studying or reading. Push. Alright, so I'm pretty much like recording the market maker models, and then I did one for the market maker buy model here. You can see that. They're basically using my model. I'm gonna put it in my notes on my phone. Let me show you. But I got another surprise for you guys. So yeah, pretty much here, like notes for model, like 10 ways to improve trading, blah blah blah, trading model, key elements, and then we're gonna put like the market maker buy model example and the market maker sell model, basically trading our model here, trading model. Here is the books came in. We still need one more. I already showed you this. The 5 levels leadership is coming in Sunday, and I'll update you guys when it's here. But our warfare based on deception. So yeah, the art of war. So basically got it. Art of war, and then this is probably my most favorite one. The Millionaire Master Plan. It's probably my most one I want to read right now. This one too, though. This one's kind of behind it, so it's Secrets of Closing the Cell. Revised and updated Zig Ziglar with Kevin Harrington. I saw that, bro. I got so many more of Zig Ziglar books I need to read of cells. But then we got the original classic edition of Scientific Advertising from the father of advertising strategy. You can see the little thing, little tag was there's a little sticky here. You know, you can see it clear as day, right? I don't know why they put that there. I don't know how to get rid of it. It's like really sticky. Alright, as you can see pretty much, guys, here it's 11:48, December 8th. We just started watching the Market Maker playlist here, and I know I'm very late to getting started, but I'm gonna continue watching. And I was setting up a PC for a friend, and that kind of took me a while. And then eventually, when I came back home, I got distracted and wasn't fully locked in, you know, just enjoying myself pretty much. But no, better post the trading montage. You know, the FaZe Clan right here, freaking trading right here. It's the FaZe Clan of trading, bro. They're gonna post a trading montage. We finished this earlier this week, so this pin is all messed up. See that? Boom, boom, boom. December 9th. Objectives. So the most important one to me usually start off on the top. So it's gonna be take notes on book. That's the first thing. The second thing is going to be what? Finish Market Maker playlist. Market Maker X playlist. And then the third one is going to be, again, just reviewing trades for the week. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. So we have a higher time frame PDA rate, the daily PDA right here. We're hitting a premium of this price lag right here from high to low. That is our external source of liquidity right here in this Market Maker sell model. What market structure shift? So either we get a market structure shift or we get a change in the state of delivery like this right here. Unless we had like a buy side balance right here and we ran right through it, came back up. That is a change in the state of delivery, and we use that to push us lower. But here we had a market structure shift below this low. Then we look for a Market Maker sell model here. You can see that. So that was a smart money reversal. Breaker formed with the market structure shift. That would be our entry with the civvy. So that's a unicorn. And then eventually we drop down, and then eventually we hit during 10 to 12. Alright, as you can see, it's pretty much the 9th. Today we're going to start watching the Market Maker X model. I haven't done anything, if I'm being transparent. For my affirmations this morning, but it's already 12 or 2 o'clock, and I haven't journaled, haven't read, haven't meditated, haven't studied, less research. Whenever I meditate, I usually do my affirmations too, so I'm gonna do that after I'm walking my dog. I'm probably gonna come in and journal and then meditate and then eventually eat and then read after that and then study and research. Alright, it's pretty much here. You can see we got another book, basically 5 Levels of Leadership by John C. Maxwell. It's a little dirty, I won't lie to you. It's a little dirty, you clean it, but it's just the cover. I really don't care. As long as the book is clean, that's all that matters to me. But yeah, no, the book is pretty much clean here. What is this? These are sponsored books. I usually like looking at the back and seeing like what sponsored books they have. But yeah, no, I think this is gonna be a good book here. I don't know which stack to put it in. I like putting it like evenly, so I think I'm just gonna be this one. Just to put it in evenly. So I'm gonna do here now. This one's Scientific Advertising. So now I think we have enough books here. I don't think we need any more, but I'm not ordering any more until I finish like majority of these, and I need to take notes on them too. So yeah, no, we got a lot of books to read, man. It's crazy. The stack just continuously grew. You see that? At one point, it's gonna be like all the way up here, bro. I swear, it's gonna be like all. You can see, guys, pretty much 105. And I didn't finish it. I didn't even read much, if I'm completely honest. Only read till page 45, and we didn't complete any of the tasks. We didn't take notes on the way to pray, man. We didn't finish Market Maker play model. We didn't review the trades, so I must basically do all these things for tomorrow. As you can see, it's 125 basically on the 10th. And today I was reading already. I started reading a little bit, so we're on page 58, so like 10 pages ahead more. And then we were taking notes already on Zeus's video. We did finish Araujo's video last night, and we're 14 minutes in. I was eating. I was taking a little break, and I was pretty much watching Sentinels basically for Valorant. I used to play Valorant, so I'll help you guys whenever we're finishing this playlist or finish reading and finishing this playlist, I think. So, and then taking notes on the books. As you can see, pretty much here we finished meditating earlier, journaling. It's currently 6:48, and then we finished reading. I only got to page 80 today. It's because I gotta finish this. So it's gonna be like in an hour. Probably like an hour. We're gonna finish this probably around 7:48, and then at 8 o'clock I'll start journaling this, and then eventually, yeah, no, I think that's pretty much it, really. You can see, guys, it's an update. It's the 11th. It's currently 12. Basically, it's the same day that you were watching. So, we didn't get to finish, but I think I will finish it right now. It's still kind of early, and I didn't take notes on the book, so that's gonna be my first thing tomorrow morning. I did have it today for that. All right, so pretty much take notes on the book. That was my first objective, and I didn't do that, so I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I promise. I'm gonna finish this market maker tomorrow. I'm gonna review the trades for the week, so the previous week. Tomorrow I'm gonna take notes on the book, and then I'm gonna start the ecom playlist, and then I'm going to I don't know, I think I need weekly objectives, but I think I'm gonna just put charging. All right, I thought it was recording, but I wasn't. But I'm showing you guys H market condition, and you know, today is pretty much let me show you guys. It's Monday, December 11th, 11:27 right now. So there's no news today, and it's pretty much news tomorrow. CPI, the day before CPI. The only market condition that was really good to trade was probably NQ, and we tapped into this fair value gap. Now we're rallying higher. That would have been a market maker buy model into the higher time frame PDA right there on the 15, pushing us up. And then looking for some form of changes in steady delivery. So this low gets broken through, high, low, dealing range. We eventually create a new one, and then we have order flow changing with the buy side balance there being respected, pushing up, and then having these down close candles respected, and then another buy side balance here that got tapped into. Then we rallied, but this is pretty much his PC, and yeah, we have to install the CPU. We have to put the radiator. We have to get these fans spinning, and then eventually we have 3 more fans coming. Or he bought 3 more fans. I'm about to put them in there, and then do all the cable management, and then yeah, just see if it runs. Do the BIOS update, and he did give me the USB for the motherboard for the BIOS, so I need to install that in here to the latest BIOS and put this in here so we can boot it up, have it all running. All right, as you can see here, we have a PDF, and I didn't think I was gonna find one, but I did. I pretty much found a PDF. So that's what I'm gonna do with these other books. So like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich, the books I've already read. I'm gonna go over the highlighted parts that I have, and then I'm gonna find it on the PDF, and I'm gonna put it inside the notes, and then I'm gonna study them. So that's how I'm studying them. Same with meditations. That's what I'm gonna do pretty much. Instead of just going over the book, I'm gonna have them in the notes. And we're taking a lot of notes here through the PDF. So what I do here is pretty much I go over like the highlighted parts, and I basically put it into the Notion. And I'm able to retain it through my phone. You know, I'm able to review it. I'm gonna constantly review it, and I think I'm gonna do that for the other books too that I was pretty much trying to take notes on. I'm gonna try to find that on PDF for free online. Actually, it is life changing if I'm being completely honest, but I'm just keep it at 5 stars because it's up there. It's up there. But the other books, I just finished them like nothing. I won't lie to you. I was just so indulged in them where they were really hard. And all right, guys, this is on me. Pretty much what happened was I failed monk mode. I missed a day of reading, and then eventually the researching or the studying too, I guess, and didn't study at all. So my monk mode ended pretty much at day 35, and it's a good reason why I ended it. I just didn't I didn't do the task because I didn't want to. I was obviously doing something else, and it was very productive. It was very challenging, and you know, I don't regret it at all because I helped somebody out while doing something that was challenging me and pushing myself to the limit. And of course that was building a PC for my friend. And you know, the thing was, we built the PC, and eventually we incurred some problems, which was the BIOS. It wasn't updated, and we was trying to figure out, you know, if it was the memory, you know, the RAM, the CPU, or you know, the last resort was the BIOS. And then we updated the BIOS, and it was working. And we stayed up, you know, around to like midnight, just pushing ourselves, trying to figure out what was wrong with it. But let me show you the PC. I put it in my Discord. Of course. You can see right here, we did all the wires. Well, when I say we, is me and another member, of course. And then eventually you can see the PC here. Everything was installed correctly, and this is where the motherboard was being updated. And then eventually you can see BIOS was updated, and yeah, no, that was pretty much it. Right now, we're gonna still take notes on the book, and eventually you can see day 35 was ended. I failed the monk mode due to building the PC for Madiax. I plan on continuing to do the task until we reach our day. We were supposed to stop to review and then revise for the next one. So the day we were supposed to stop was right here, December 23rd. So we're gonna continue till December 23rd. Of course, then stick to all these, of course, and then that is pretty much it. I'm still gonna do this right here, but I'm just gonna stop adding the days. I'm gonna still continue to do it, and if I fail or if I don't do it, then of course, you know, to me it doesn't matter anymore. I'm not on monk mode, like strict limits, but I'm still continue to do the task. I'm still, you know, it doesn't, no exceptions, you know, I'm still trying to complete them no matter what. And right now I'm about to install Windows 11 for him, and then we're about to put it into the chip. I got it. I'm waiting for him to come with the and then I'm gonna go back to taking the notes on the book for the Way of the Superior Man. I'm gonna watch the 3 videos here. And then eventually I'm going to study the notes. I'm going to study actually the notes. And then I was thinking about getting new highlighters. I'm going to wait though. I'm wait and see until I get new highlighters. I'm going to try to watch as many as possible. I'm going to add the short ones to the beginning and then eventually I'll make it like shortest to longest. I think that's the easiest way to get it over with. And then, you know, so I mean, it was going to be the fastest way to finish the playlist in my opinion. Going from shortest to longest. Getting the short videos out the way, and then seeing if they're valuable or not, you know, honestly. You know, getting down the small, like micromanaging it, finishing like 5 videos in one sesh, and going back and doing the same thing. Because these videos are really small, I won't even lie to you. They're not too long, 5:39. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so it's currently, let me show you guys, it's currently December 13th, 3:54, and I believe the time is about to run out, so let me pause it. Okay, we got 1 minute, so I'm gonna just let this minute run out, and then I'm gonna take a little break. But basically we're on episode 9 of reading and implanting the knowledge. So I think we're gonna probably finish this playlist. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to finish it now since it's just so good, honestly, you know. And probably gonna, or maybe not finish it, maybe go to the next one, which was studying how to, or better note taking, honestly. I think that one, and then studying or doing research, and then best note taking, doing research, and then retain and study. This is one of those. So yeah, this one's kind of small. This one, I think it's all over, scattered all over the place. This one, that's really, I think this one's more important right now because I want to take better notes. But even then, Robert Waldoon, and I was watching his video, of course, and it was just a really good video. And then, you know, of course, the note taking. So I've been, my books have, you know, the way I take notes on these books are not really as good as I want them to be, honestly. The way I retain the information, of course. So this right here would have been like, yeah, just way too much. You see that? That's barely 1 chapter. And then rest of this is chapter 2. Of course, there are like highlighted parts that I like reading, but I don't question it, and I feel like that isn't good. So I'm gonna take notes differently, and I'm gonna have summaries of what I've read and like the most important key parts from the book. But that book, The Way of the Superior Man, was just way different. I feel like this one was a lot better. It's more of summaries about the chapters and then about what the book was about. So for this one, I think we're gonna, and again here, he said to take notes while you're reading the book, you know, and implement that into the book, you know, of course. So I think that one's very important, you know. So this one is very good. So I'm gonna, the ones that are really good, I put emojis on them because like they're just really good, you know. And then to get the most out of a book, of course, this one's good too, you know, I won't lie. Alright, it's like 1 minute into the video and like the notes are just so good already. I can just see myself studying these notes. So it's pretty much the 13th, and I was like, damn, why haven't I been taking notes like this for the past year for ICT notes, all these other stuff, bro? Like, it's just so good, honestly. So I'm gonna just continue to take notes like this. I think it's like Cornell notes. I used to take Cornell notes back in 8th grade when I was in Avid. I was an Avid student, and I used to take Cornell notes, and I'll have the summary of this and that, you know. But for the summary for this is gonna be, you know, pretty much chapters in the book, or it'll be the video, simply as that, you know. And I think I'm gonna do the chapters in the book, and then I'm gonna do the notes like this. I'm gonna find a notebook, and I'm gonna take notes for the book like this. Alright guys, like I stated earlier, we're doing like the Cornell notes pretty much. And I think we're gonna do Cornell mixed with Bulletin. So the way he was doing it, I'm getting ready. I'm gonna show you guys. So we're gonna do like this: Bulletin notes, and then eventually we're gonna do Cornell notes. Pretty much. I was still trying to find my papers from when I did Cornell notes back in 8th grade to show y'all, but I think we'll find them later. But then I don't want to do this one, the flow notes, bulletin point notes, and the Cornell notes. I don't want to do the flow one. I think the bulletin point would be the best option for us. And then like main topic, subtopic, and then key points, like I was just showing y'all. And then we have some notebooks there, and then we have some papers that we're going to use, I guess we can use to filter it out. And then but I want to have more, so I want to have folders, I guess. Another one, I need to find another one, and then put the ones that I'm taking notes on that folder, and then keep using these, I guess, for new ones. That's pretty much it. That's when I need to find another folder. I think you'll find good takeaways from this, because it doesn't always, this is like for taking notes on trading, bro. This is very important. How you take notes, how you retain that information is very important, because majority of the time you're just like autopilot. You're active reader, I should say, or you're a passive reader, you're not an active reader. So, or you can be a passive watcher, you're not an active watcher, you know, and you're just passively watching, you know, you're just taking notes here and there, taking notes here and there. You're recalling the information, but you're not actually implementing it, you're not actually using it, and you're not actually, you know, questioning why you're studying what you're studying, you know. And I think that's a very important part to retaining information and having a summary and like in your own words, not just copying what the other person has to say, you know, and just using your own words and your own intellect as to what you read and like what you observed from the book. Having your own key takeaways. I think I need to write in my book a lot more. I need to like make it more messy, but I have been actually. Alright guys, we finished taking our notes for the Cornell notes on this video. I don't know if I look so blurry. So you can see it now, we just took notes. So if we ever take photos though, I think I'll put it in the note section here. And it says write it after the class and write it during the class, but I just can't do that. I'm not in class, I'm researching, so I'm just write it while I'm doing it, and then take notes, and then, you know, just ask questions or have key terms, you know. But usually, you know, it's like, what is... Alright, yesterday we didn't read, and we were pretty much taking notes. Now we're going to take notes. I think we're on page, we're on chapter 2, part 2. We're about to catch up to like 1, we're currently on 5, and it's very time consuming, let me tell you that. It really is time consuming, and I haven't been trading. I haven't traded this much at all this month recently, and just because the price action hasn't been good, and then that, and I haven't been waking up early, so that's another thing. I just haven't been waking up on early enough. I haven't been studying my trading notes or my trades in general, you know. So I'm gonna start to get back into that, and then I'm gonna start researching more towards like the end of the month, since that's when the holidays are coming in. So this week, you know, I think we're still gonna have a good amount of trading volume. So I'm gonna focus on tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday though, so it's gonna be dead anyways. I might as well just continue researching and reading. So I might not trade this whole week or this rest of the month, honestly, because of low trading volume. But I will be paying attention to crypto. Crypto is gonna be popping. It's gonna be I just feel like I haven't been putting enough in work in for the trading or just anything in general. I feel like I've been getting more distracted and just haven't been using my time wisely. So I'm gonna start time blocking again, or not time blocking, but just like having a timer set, and then taking breaks after we're done, and just using those cycles to do the things I have to do. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do 45 minutes. I'm gonna split my journaling and then my meditation and that, and with affirmations, and then I'm gonna go and have a 10-minute break, and then after that I'm going to go and then do another 45 minutes. I'm gonna study on my trading notes, and then after that 10-minute break, 45 minutes after that. I feel like the Cornell notes physically is just, it's a lot of work. I won't even lie to you, but I remember like the majority of the stuff right now. It's crazy. I remember it. Alright guys, so it's currently December 15th now, and I didn't chart again, so I'm just, I've been very busy, guys. I won't even lie to you. Busy just taking notes, researching more about how to actually take notes and retain the information, how to study longer, so studying tips. Then, you know, just reading these, and whenever, again, they pop up on my phone. Where's my phone? So whenever these notes pop up on my phone, let me show you guys real quick. The thing I like about that, even though I didn't, was how the questions would be on top, and then we weren't able to see the notes like this. So the questions side by side with the notes, we wouldn't see that. We would just see the questions or the key points. And now what I do whenever I'm studying on my phone, I usually like studying on my phone anyways, instead of studying on here, you know, because I usually don't like studying on my desk. I like to research more when I'm on my desk. And I like to trade, I like to be in the zone, I like to doing this and that. And then this too, you know, there's like a little test here whenever we're going over. So what are the two qualities, what two qualities must we have in order to get the most out of the digital renaissance? And I don't even know. Alright guys, it's currently Friday. No trades again. We're just watching videos. This time I wasn't taking notes, I was just watching the video. It was 3:15. I was charting gold, and then I was eventually doing my market recap. No trades today, honestly. Not a good trading day. You can see we made an inverse on GPP JPY. So we're watching, basically, you can see that little last candle came in, but we're watching how to actually read 100 books. And you know, you can see here we cleaned it up. All right, we cleaned it up, and we're gonna make it more clean. We're gonna remove the ones we read, because like I added the ones we read over here, have them all right here. So these are the ones we've taken notes on, basically the ones we read and we're taking notes on. Again, you can say, but I want to review them since I do have them in physical form, so why not review them? If they were digital, then of course I would have probably wanted to take more better notes and like actually study them. But for now, you know, I think I'm gonna review a book a day, like just skim through it, read the highlighted parts that I have, and I think I plan on buying tabs and like having tabs for those pages, the most important parts, and then eventually taking notes on these and adding them to the archive, so we don't, in case we're like wherever not home and like we're not able to take books, then of course doing that. And here I'm cleaning the stack up for the books that I want to read. All right, as you can see, we're pretty much editing. We're on our Pomodoro breaks. I'm gonna record. It's Saturday, December 16th, 1:35 in the morning. Always be thankful for everything you have, right? And I'm taking a quick break and I'm just reviewing all the content that I have in October. And I want to show you guys a little bit something that I've changed, was adding the books. We're going to be revising them, and of course I'm going to be taking notes on the ones that I have yet to take notes on, and then these I'm going to be reviewing the notes. I'm going to be adding more to the notes, and I'm just continuing to revise and like skim through the book, of course, and like make summaries at the end of the pages. Let me show you. I'd rather show you than just talk about it. So let me see if I can find a summary in here, so we can see we had a summary here, and I skimmed through the page, you know, the chapter, I mean, and then just went through it again. I think Meditations is the best one in my opinion to show you great notes I had, and I was of course challenging the author with cues. Let me see if I find it. I don't think I will though. But yeah, no, see, we're just writing quotations where I think we should be taking notes, and then again, I don't know if you saw that, key point, asking a question there, and then retaining the information. Alright, it's the 17th, late and jet. We pretty much we didn't do anything yesterday, which was 16th, so today we're just gonna be chilling. I already have my task for 18th. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's all the books I have now currently. 40 Laws of Human Nature, 48 Laws of Power, Money Master the Plan, Robert Greene, The Changing World Order by Ray Dalio, and then we have the Millionaire Master Plan by Roger James Hamilton, Secrets of Closing a Sale, Zig Ziglar, and then Zaglar, there comes Zigzag, Trading the Zone, Lords of Easy Money, Atomic Habits, Art of War, Richest Man in Babylon, Way the Superior Man, Power of Subconscious Mind, Psychology of Money, The Everything Store, 4-Hour Work Week, Personal MBA, 5 Levels Leadership, Meditations, one of my favorite books, Intelligent Investor. You can see it's kind of going out, and then High Output Management, Scientific Advertising, really small, Stop Overthinking, you know, Thinking Rich, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Made in America. And then of course we have one over there that is how to win and influence friends. You can see my room, I'm renovating it right now, so I'm gonna show you the date, and then I'm gonna just tell you guys what we're doing. We have the Quran here. I'm gonna open my phone up. It's pretty much the 18th, 2021, or 21 o'clock, basically 9 o'clock. See here. So I have the Quran right there. I'm reading it paperback. I plan on getting. The thing is, with paperbacks, I usually like writing them and then like messing them up, and then eventually I'll read the story from like a hardcover and keep it clean. So unless the hardcover's cheap. But here's the setup, you know. I'm just moving everything, cleaning it all up. We're gonna renovate. We're gonna paint. We're gonna remove the carpet. So I'm cleaning everything up. See, everything's pretty much clean. This drawer is all clean. Got all my books here. Got my towel up there. My closet is kind of dirty. I need to clean that too soon. La-dee-doo, la-dee-da. This is my room after what you see is beautiful. La-dee-doo, la-dee-da, la-dee-doo, la-dee-doo, la-dee-da, la-dee-doo, la-dee-da. Just a little renovation on the room. Pretty much everything here. I gotta still fix the closet, I'm not gonna lie to you. I tried to work on the cable management, but it was a little bit scuffed, I won't lie. It's a little bit scuffed, especially over here. I won't lie to you. But everything else looks pretty clean. So, new mouse pad too. Cleaned it up. Everything else looks really good. Just I'm gonna enjoy and appreciate it. And God damn, I gotta take that Ken Carson, whatever bullshit is. December 21. So I gotta wake up early tomorrow, see if I can trade. If not, then it's perfectly fine with me. Only two monitors, no more three. It's not gonna fit, it's not gonna look good. I'm gonna try to keep it very clean and simple and minimalist, you know. Yeah, no, everything looks really, really well. I love it. I need to clean the closet. I think I'm gonna leave the doors out, fix up there, paint it up, take the screws off, and then yeah, no, clean it up a little bit, move the ring light, move the weights. Alright guys, currently December 23rd. December 23rd. I don't know why it's not focusing. Focus, buddy. December 23rd, 6:37. Right now I'm about to edit the video for November, the continuation. Because I ran out of storage on this camera here, so might as well just edit. I exported it already, deleted it, so we're able to have a little bit more storage. That's what I'm about to do. Today I gotta read too. I already did review December trades, and I did review ICT notes earlier. And then I did eat some fast food, which I don't like doing, but I do need to watch the dopamine playlist. I do need to read, take notes, or just take notes and then eventually read one chapter and then take notes after that chapter. And just get it over with, I guess. So I think I'm gonna do that last, but I did meditate earlier, and we did study and research. Now I'm gonna edit. Alright, so we still gotta watch the dopamine video. I didn't do that last night. And I currently have pretty much meditated and journaled right now, and it's currently for Merry Christmas Eve for everybody. But it's Christmas Eve. For the ones watching, you probably won't see it during Christmas Eve, but you know it's Christmas Eve. I wish everybody a good Christmas Eve and a good Christmas. So we already journaled. I already journaled in here, and I already did meditate. But now we're gonna review and revise monk mode. That's what I plan on doing today. Review and revise affirmations, and these are like small things I'm gonna be able to do. And finish editing videos. I recorded some videos last night. I want to finish editing them for the SMT channel. I'm gonna start uploading them like every 3 days. I'm gonna start uploading every 3 days because I realized, you know, I gotta be more consistent. Haven't uploaded in the last couple weeks. Didn't journal for that either. But we finally caught up on the notes for the book, and now we're gonna start reading. And after every chapter we read, we're gonna just take notes on key points. And of course, I'm gonna write in the book and highlight in the book. But I'm gonna just try to dissect the most important parts that I resonate and put in my own words in here, and like try to make it a lot more for me instead of just like copying word for word what the author is saying. I'm gonna see, you know, which ones I really want, and then eventually I don't know if I want this one, to be completely honest, and then I'm gonna go and buy some. So yeah, after I finish, probably next year, like in a couple months, just scouting, having them ready, and after I finish probably like majority of this stack, then I'll go and buy another one. And then like halfway through this one, then I'll buy another stack. So yeah, until then, I'll see you guys tomorrow or later. Peace, if I can.